Hello guys, today I will share a good cost performance laptop to you called T-BAO Tbook 4. Wow, this surface is gonna kill myself. Looks like a MacBook or a Xiaomi notebook. As you see from the front, it's only 12mm while the back thickness is 14mm. Compared with my iPad mini 4, they have a very close thickness, and the weight is only 1.9 kg, which is a half of my old one. Very portable. When you're going out, you will find it helps you to save space. Very easy to carry this lovely gear. By the way, do you know where's the speaker? The answer is inside the gap. Cool. On the back side, there is a space for adding an extra SSD, and it will add more options for you. Screen resolution is 1920 by 1080, standard and meets your needs in watching videos. Typing is very satisfying. As you can see, the gap to each key is big, which makes you feel comfortable in daily use. In addition, I have to say the touch feeling is nice no matter the keyboard or the touchpad. It's smooth, which is kind of like touching some... wow. Okay, get back to the laptop. It has the similar gestures with Mac on your touchpad. Slide down, minimize, switch to each program. But I would strongly recommend you to bring a mouse because I don't think the accuracy is good to work. Hopefully there will be some firmware to fix it. Regarding the hardware, it has an Intel 1.1 GHz CPU, HD graphics 500 GPU, 6GB DDR4 RAM, and 64 eMMC hard drive. Supports M2 SSD extension. With this, I don't think I can play Dota 2, but at least video cutting is fine. What about the battery life? Well, for watching videos, it's around 4 hours. I think in general you will probably bring a charger for work. Again, I really appreciate the portability, even the charger. No big wires, but this, everything is flexible. Surface, 4.5 stars. Looks simple and the feeling is good. Hardware scored 3 stars. It's good to do simple video editing, but don't expect it for gaming. Portability, 4 stars, which save your space and it's light. Cost performance, 5 stars. For less than $300, you will own this one, which has the similar feeling of a MacBook. For me, I would say it's cheap and light. I can bring it everywhere, but don't need to worry about getting broken or lost this laptop. Sometimes watching videos, posting blogs, it meets your needs. Pretty sweet. So, what do you think of this laptop? Just feel free to drop down some comments or join our poll. Don't forget to hit the like button to support our work. Thanks for watching and see you next time.